Good morning, students. Political Science, Chapter 3, Election and Representative. In this chapter, today we'll discuss about the topic 3, that is election system in India. Students, we already discussed that in modern time we are following the representative democracy because it is not possible to run the government without electing the representative in indirect democracy or representative democracy. So these elected representatives rule or run the government on the behalf of us, but there are different methods of electioneering and campaigning in the elections. Different leaders, different political parties in different countries, the representatives use the different methods of electioneering and different methods of campaignings. Some leaders focus on more political rallies. Some leaders more focus on interview. Some focus on social media. The different methods are used by the different representative or different leaders. We can say that different method or system of elections are exist in different countries, and we also wondered that these are all about two things: election authorities and rules about what can do's and what don'ts. Election system के अंदर who will conduct the election, what are the powers of election authority, all these things are mentioned, and rules are also mentions what representative authority election officer can do and what they cannot do. All these rules are mentioned in the election system, and that's why different election systems are followed in different countries. There is a system of conducting elections, and the system of elections involve all these things. Where these rules are mentioned, these rules about the election systems are mentioned in the constitution. There we need the constitution. So that's why we need constitutions, because in constitutions there are the rules are in written form about the election system, about the election authorities, about the rules, do's and don'ts. So all these things are in written provision, like how the votes to be counted, how the representatives are elected. All these questions are answered in written form in the constitution. So if you want to know about the election system of any country, then we can know about the election system through the help of constitution. And especially in democratic countries, mostly people think that in an election system people go and vote. Mostly ordinary people think that all around the world there is a common election system. People go and vote, लोग जाते हैं, वोट डालते हैं, and the candidate who gets the highest votes get elected. जिस कैंडिडेट को हाईएस्ट वोट मिलेंगे वो विनर डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट इलेक्शंस आर ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. बट ऐसा नहीं है. in different societies to cast the vote, different methods are used, and to declare the winner also there are different methods. In different countries people cast for vote, like in India people mainly cast for cast the vote for party as well as candidates. So elections is not about only these things, but these things are mentioned in different election system. So mainly in the democratic elections people vote, and their preference decides who will win the contest. And to cast the vote there are different methods, to count the vote there are different methods, and to decide the preference also different methods, and different rules are mentioned in the constitution. We can say that like in the games different rules can change the game, can change the winner or loser. Similarly, different rules are followed in the different types of election system. There are different ways to make their choices. There are different rules. Some rules can favor the bigger parties. Some rules can help the smaller parties. Some rules can favor the majority. On the other hand, some rules can help the minority. So rules can be vary from one election method to different election method. Majorly in the world there are two types of methods are used: first past the post and proportional representative. Mainly in the direct democratic elections like in India we use the APTP system. So India election system is APTP. It is India's election system of India. So we can say that in India we follow the APTP system, first past the post system, mainly for the Lok Sabha elections, Vidhan Sabha elections and local government. In the elections of local government, Gram Panchayat, Block Samiti as well as for the Jilla Parishad, all the 3 tiers, we use the first past the post system. So now we have got the idea regarding the election system of India. That's all for today.